Good job. Are you burping, Robbie? Did you burp yet?
No.
Or get a burp.
Oh, keep patting him.
Who do you think's gonna burp first? Zach or Robbie?
Robbie.
Robbie's gonna burp first?